do, 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 do. Oh, I'm seeing there. That's that right. This look is lost of Thomas Mini. Look at lost this. There's Percy, the Benson, Golden, Diesel 10, that's Gus, Jolly had two Jolly, this Edward, Birdie, Godwin, and Silver, Luke, just Ben, this is Sugar Baby. Look, there's another two Diesel 10. Yeah. Oh, oh no! I'm scared. Yes! It's raining out here. Oh, see. Where is he? Oh no. Oh, come on. Come on. Where am I? There's something big to coming. Something big. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Everyone gone down. That's fair. Then all burn. Oh, that Diesel, this Emily, Lit, Finn, this Thomas, Joe, Digger, Luke, oh, where's he? And there's another Thomas. Huh. There's a lot of Thomas. I got 3 Thomas. This yellow one, the dark blue one, is a Racer Thomas. A Tinket. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, he's ranky out here. It's raining out here? What's going on? Hey kid, do you know what happened going on in Randy? What? Oh no, that's terrible. Kid, do you help Randy get outside? You will? Okay. Okay, not Randy out here. Is he? Oh, what happened? I know. Has no sort of valley. What are we gonna do? How is it inside? It's, oh, nice. Where my Brenda? This nice beautiful day. Oh, it's cloudy. No big cloud sky no more. Oh, that's where. Yes, I. Look, kid. You remember? Where is this? It's a house. Great job. What is this? A tree? Great work. How to find it? So windy. Ooh. Wait a minute. What? Oh, he's moving. There's something. Something ghost. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Ah! Ah! Phew. There's a blanket tunnel. Phew. That's not something a ghost. Oh, I'm playing Thomas Penny. Oh. Don't worry, guys. I respect you. There. Oh! Oh, that's amazing. What? Oh no. It's a spooky around here. Oh. Oh no. I'll tell Mom to get help soon. Oh no. Oh no. How inside? I'm right here. Yes. Huh? It's a ghost. Whew. That's not a ghost. It's a black. Frederick phone. It's a black. I'm not about scary. I'm not real to scare you. Huh? What? What just sound, kid? Is that?